Hello everyone, welcome to Java Telephonic Interview. Question 1 is why string is immutable or final in Java? Explained. The answer is the string is immutable in Java because string objects are cached in the string pool. Since cached string literals are shared between multiple clients, there is always a risk where one client's action would affect all other clients. For example, if one client changes the value of the string test to test, all other clients will also see that value as explained in the first example. Since caching of string objects was important for performance reasons, this risk was avoided by making the string class immutable. At the same time, string was made final so that no one can compromise invariant of string class like immutability, caching, hashcode calculation, etc. by extending and overriding behaviors. Another reason why the string class is immutable could die due to hash map. What are the features of Java? Answer. Features of Java are as follows: OOP concepts, object-oriented inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction.
Number 3. How does Java enable high performance? Answer. Java uses just-in-time compiler to enable high performance. It is used to convert the instructions into bytecodes. Number 4. Name the Java IDEs. Answer. Eclipse and NetBeans are the IDEs of Java. Number 5. What do you mean by constructor? Answer. Constructor can be explained in detail within listed points. When a new object is created in a program, a constructor gets invoked corresponding to the class. The constructor is a method which has the same name as the class name. If a user doesn't create a constructor implicitly, a default constructor will be created. The constructor can be overloaded. If the user created a constructor with a parameter, then he should create another constructor explicitly without a parameter.
Number 6. What is meant by the local variable and the instance variable? Answer. Local variables are defined in the method and scope of the variables that exist inside the method itself. Instance variable is defined inside the class and outside the method, and the scope of the variables exists throughout the class. Number 7. What is a class? Answer. All Java codes are defined in a class. It has variables and methods. Variables are attributes which define the state of a class. Methods are the place where the exact business logic has to be done. It contains a set of statements or instructions to satisfy the particular requirement.
Number 8. What is an object? Answer. An instance of a class is called an object. The object has state and behavior. Whenever the JVM reads the new keyword, then it will create an instance of that class. 9. What are the OOPS concepts? Answer. OOPS concepts include inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction, interface.
10. What is inheritance? Answer. Inheritance means one class can extend to another class, so that the codes can be reused from one class to another class. The existing class is known as the superclass, whereas the derived class is known as a subclass. 1. What is encapsulation? Answer. Purpose of encapsulation: protects the code from others. Code maintainability. 12. What is polymorphism? Answer. Polymorphism means many forms. A single object can refer to the superclass or subclass depending on the reference type, which is called polymorphism.
What is meant by method overriding? Answer. Method overriding happens if the subclass method satisfies the below conditions with the superclass method. Method name should be the same, the argument should be the same, return type should also be the same. The key benefit of overriding is that the subclass can provide some specific information about that subclass type than the superclass.
14. What is meant by overloading? Answer. Method overloading happens for different classes or within the same class. For method overloading, subclass method should satisfy the below conditions with the superclass method, or methods in the same class itself. Same method named different argument types, there may be different return types. 15. What is meant by interface? Answer. Multiple inheritances cannot be achieved in Java. To overcome this problem, the interface concept is introduced. An interface is a template which has only method declarations and not the method implementation. 16. What is meant by abstract class? Answer. We can create the abstract class by using the abstract keyword before the class name. An abstract class can have both abstract methods and non-abstract methods that are a concrete class. Abstract method, the method which has only the declaration and not the implementation, is called the abstract method, and it has the keyword called abstract. Declarations ends with a semicolon. Difference between abstract class and interface. Answer. The differences between abstract class and interface are as follows. Abstract classes have a default constructor, and it is called whenever the concrete subclass is instantiated. It contains abstract methods as well as non-abstract methods. The class which extends the abstract class shouldn't require the implementation of all the methods, only abstract methods need to be implemented in the concrete subclass. Abstract class contains instance variables. Interface. It doesn't have any constructor and couldn't be instantiated. The abstract method alone should be declared. Classes that implement the interface should provide the implementation for all the methods. The interface contains only constants. What are all the classes and interfaces that are available in the collections? Answer. Given below are the classes and interfaces that are available in collections. Interfaces: collection list, set map, sorted map, queue. 26. What is meant by ordered and sorted in collections? Answer. Ordered, it means the values that are stored in a collection is based on the values that are added to the collection. So we can iterate the values from the collection in a specific order. Sorted. Sorting mechanisms can be applied internally or externally so that the group of objects sorted in a particular collection is based on the properties